Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily blur a part of the video in CapCut. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to blur a part of the video in CapCut very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the CapCut app icon, and then tap on the edit option, which is located in the bottom left corner, and tap on new project and select any video that you like and tap on 8, and then select your video in the timeline, and this type of option will be popped out. And here you have to tap on option called effects and tap on video effect, and here in the search bar search for blur effect. Then you'll be able to see many options of blur effect, but you have to choose this one because we need simple blur. And then go back to your home page, and now we have to add overlays. And to add overlays, you have to tap on overlay option and tap on add overlay, and you have to select the same video that you have selected in the first, and then tap on 8. And this time the video ratio will be a little bit smaller, so you have to zoom in and adjust that video ratio as same as the previous one. And then you have to scroll until you see the option called mask and tap on that. And here I want to blur the nameplate of this car, so I'll select a rectangle, but you can select any shape of mask as your preferences or as your need, and you can adjust that shape by these two arrows. I'll adjust mine. And after adjusting the mask, you have to tap on invert option, which is located in the bottom left corner right here. And here you can see the nameplate is blurred out, and you have to tap on this tick icon. And here you can see I have successfully blurred out the nameplate of this car, but still in some part you can still see the nameplate of this car. So, and to fix that, you have to make sure that you are in the beginning of this video and select the overlay video, and then tap on this option. It is the option of keyframe, and you have to set keyframe as much as you need. I'll set mine. Here you can see, from here you can see a little bit part of the nameplate. To fix this, you have to go to the mask and then adjust the mask a little bit, and then tap on done. And here you have to add keyframe as much as you need, and after adding a keyframe you'll be able to blur out a part of a video. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.